Tell me which one is small. This train is much bigger than your idea. This train is long, so long, and I am going to join it. Now I am in a station for waiting this train, and now it's coming. But it's too long train and very facility-full product. So it's gone right now, and this is the condition of train here inside. So many people are waiting for train. Now train is starting. It's time to go. I just rented this rickshaw. It's called a small vehicle to go my destination. It's so lengthy process because it's not so fast. Any other vehicles are so fast. The first time I see this flower, it's pink color and a fantastic look with attractive. It's just attract myself in this bucket, and it's good. It's very good, not so bad actually. This white flower. This is the fruit and flower market in Asian country Thailand. So many people are decorated their trees for sale, and it's going to be happen. So many people are get these trees for balcony, for rooftop, for home, etc. This flower has a very good fragrance. It is true. It is also a fragranceful flower, and those are not have any fragrance, but looks beautiful. Actually, it's nice. It's a not flower. It's a leaf, but colorful leaf looks like a foul flower. It is also a decorated flower, and I'm come here for this fruit. This is pink color and so much sweet and fresh. Actually, it's a big tree. He just plug it out and put in a jar for sale. It's height like 7 feet. Okay, this tree is has lots of fruits are coming out, and he just asked me for a $300. It's too little expensive, but it's okay. I will bargaining with it. But the fruits are ready to eat, and it's going to be complete on tree. I'm just making this video for discover all the fruits are healthy or not, because so many times people are not so honest with their products. That's why they are like a tailor to have money with the customers. But I need to verify all the fruit to to satisfy myself that I am not going to lose it. You can see this tree, it's actually nice, and there is no chance to prove yourself wrong because it's natural fruit like this, and so many people are not so unfair with themselves, not dishonest. People cannot survive more than a honest person. Honesty is a long life. So I'm going to buy it right now. You guys can watch out, and if you like this video and you want to see this type of videos more, then you can subscribe this channel.